Going around on YouTube. This is PS3 Cali's Game Review. Here to bring you a video unboxing, classic. You know, that's what the channel is. I'm here to unbox a laptop, Toshiba. I think it's the satellite L645 S455, and I got this for Christmas. I haven't unboxed it yet. It says right here, as you can tell, if I open it, they take 15% off. And yeah, it's Toshiba, and yeah, so let's get the old traditional kitchen knife. Unbox this. Hold on, got this. Tell I'm opening this. So here we got it. I have no idea how this shit opens. Here we go. Sorry about that. Alright, so right when you open it, the way that I did, you got the quick start. Some instructions basically. You got the 30 days subscription or whatever. And you got the beautiful laptop right off the bat here. You got the power cord. So fuck. There's too many things. Alright, so there we got it. Toshiba right there in the spot. I could see it. There we got the beautiful laptop. Here it goes. So that's it. That's the Toshiba unboxing. Turned on. It's pretty light. Here it is. 4 GB drive or some shit. I don't know. I really don't know what this is. My mom bought it for me. It's Toshiba, but here it is, the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, and yeah, this is Cali's. You know what it is. And you know, PS3. So thanks for watching, and subscribe, rate, comment, like I said. There's plenty of unboxings coming soon, so stay in store. Oh, and I also got this. Where is it at? Oh, here it is. Or the laptop. I want to be hugging my laptop like that. See? Alright then. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and comment. See you later.